From a single button press to thousands of perfect pieces. This is the incredible journey of automatic samosa. Every automatic samosa begins far from the factory, believe me, in carefully cultivated wheat fields.
Speed and timing preserve quality for automatic samosa dough.
Ultra-fine flour creates the crisp shell of automatic samosa.
The filling of automatic samosa begins with fresh, high-starch potatoes.
Ingredients reach the factory with minimal delay for automatic samosa production. Industrial cleaning ensures food safety for every automatic samosa.
Uniform cuts guarantee consistent filling inside each automatic samosa.
This controlled cooking stage builds the flavor core of automatic samosa. Precision dosing ensures every automatic samosa tastes identical.
All systems are aligned. Automatic samosa production is now fully active. Perfect dough for automatic samosa begins with exact ingredient control.
Industrial mixers develop strength and elasticity in automatic samosa dough.
Testing allows proper hydration, ensuring crisp layers in automatic samosa. Uniform thickness is essential for automatic samosa shell performance. Laser calibration guarantees consistency in every automatic samosa. These blanks will form the shell of automatic samosa.
Automation ensures precise filling in every automatic samosa. This is where shape defines the identity of automatic samosa.
Secure sealing prevents leaks during frying of automatic samosa.
Now formed and sealed, automatic samosa moves toward the heart of production.
Precise oil temperature is critical for automatic samosa frying.
Continuous filtration keeps automatic samosa frying oil clean and stable.
This moment defines the crunch of automatic samosa.
Uniform movement ensures even frying of automatic samosa.
Real-time vision systems protect automatic samosa color and quality.
Exact timing prevents overcooking in automatic samosa.
Controlled lifting reduces oil retention in automatic samosa.
Rapid cooling locks the structure of automatic samosa.
Only structurally perfect.
Automatic samosa move forward.
From heat to precision, automatic samosa enters final quality control.
After frying, every automatic samosa faces strict quality evaluation.
Advanced vision systems verify the iconic shape of automatic samosa.
Accurate weight control ensures consistency in automatic samosa. Thermal checks confirm safe cooking inside every automatic samosa.
Data-driven decisions protect the standard of automatic samosa. Only approved automatic samosa continue to final processing. Secondary cooling stabilizes texture in automatic samosa. Hygiene systems protect automatic samosa before packaging. Full traceability secures accountability for automatic samosa. The final stage begins. Automatic samosa moves toward packaging.
Perfect alignment prepares automatic samosa for precise packaging. Automation protects the delicate shell of automatic samosa.
Controlled atmosphere extends freshness of automatic samosa. Airtight sealing preserves quality in automatic samosa.
Each pack is clearly identified as automatic samosa. Accuracy ensures consistency in every automatic samosa package.
Secondary packaging protects automatic samosa during transport.
Full traceability is built into automatic samosa logistics.
Final checks ensure shipment ready. Automatic samosa.
Packed and verified. Automatic samosa heads for dispatch.
Robotic palletizing prepares automatic samosa for bulk transport. Secure wrapping protects automatic samosa in transit. Smart staging organizes automatic samosa for efficient dispatch.
Temperature control preserves automatic samosa freshness.
Dock coordination speeds automatic samosa loading.
Sealed and secured, automatic samosa is shipment ready.
From factory to market, automatic samosa begins its journey.
Delivered fresh, automatic samosa reaches consumers.
Thank you for joining the incredible journey of automatic samosa. Subscribe for more industrial wonders.